For today's Safety Toolbox talk, we're discussing high voltage safety protocols, one of the most critical topics in our line of work. A single mistake around high voltage can be fatal, and there's no room for shortcuts. First, verify your personal protective equipment. You must wear Class 2 voltage-rated rubber gloves tested within the last 6 months, a properly rated face shield, FR-rated clothing, and EH-rated boots. Check that your insulated tools have no cracks or exposed metal. Before any high voltage work, implement a proper lockout-tagout procedure. Test voltage with calibrated meters before and after lockout. Remember to test twice, touch once. If you're working on systems over 600 volts, you need a second qualified person present as a safety observer. Maintain your minimum approach distances. For voltages between 750 V and 15 kV, stay at least 2 feet 2 inches away unless using proper PPE and insulated tools. This distance increases with higher voltages. Never assume equipment is de-energized just because a switch is off. Treat all systems as live until proven dead through proper testing. Use your voltage detector before every task, even if you tested it earlier that day. Watch for signs of defective equipment, unusual sounds, burning smells, or visible damage. If you spot these, stop work immediately and report it to your supervisor. Remember, high voltage work requires complete focus. If you feel rushed, distracted, or unsure about any aspect of the job, stop and reassess. Most accidents can be prevented by following proper safety procedures. Take these protocols very seriously as they could save your life.
Are you fed up with sifting through binders trying to find the right toolbox talk? Safe Leo can put an end to that headache once and for all. You'll never ever have to comb through binders again. Now you can easily upload your own or choose from our comprehensive library of preloaded text-based and video-based toolbox talks. No more last-minute scrambling to pull something together. Even better, you can bulk schedule those talks across all your projects, ensuring they happen consistently without someone having to remember. When it's time for the safety meeting, just pull up the day's talk on your phone or tablet and deliver it to your crew. Taking attendance is a breeze too. Workers can digitally sign in right on the device, or you can snap a photo of the physical sign-in sheet. Either way, SafeLeo keeps everything documented and stored in one organized system. Safety should be the top priority on any job site. Now you can streamline your toolbox talk so you can focus on the information, not scrambling to find it. Click the link below to request a quick demo.